There are many challenges that people face when purchasing an Apple computer. Which one is right for me? Do I purchase a MacBook Air, a MacBook Pro, an iMac, and then what specifications do I really need? Hi, I'm Jeff Horowitz, owner of the Mac Mentor, your champion for purchasing, troubleshooting your Mac and other Apple products. We're a local Chicago and North Shore company ready to help you get the computer that's right for you, your family, or your business. Where and what Mac computer to purchase can be overwhelming. Do I go online to an electronics store, or do I visit the local Apple store? Now imagine if you had someone who could guide you through the process and save you time and money. At the Mac Mentor, we sit down with you, we understand your needs and requirements, and then we purchase the perfect computer at a discount and deliver it and set it up in the comfort of your home or business. To get a free 30-minute consultation, call us direct at 847-902-6681 or visit our website, themacmentor.com, and book your appointment. You'll be amazed at how easy, fast, and stress-free purchasing a new Mac or other Apple product can be.